From the bearing industry to the automotive industry, from the machinery industry to the chemical pipeline industry, from domestic to international. Behind the manufacturing enterprises, it is inseparable from the support of basic processes. It is inseparable from the presence of Wuxi Daqiao. Wuxi Daqiao Bearing Machinery Co. Limited is located on the shore of the beautiful Taihu Lake in the convenient Hudai Industrial Park. Daqiao brand D51 series ring rolling machines is our company's main product. This type of product can be shaped according to customer needs. Formed by rolling in one go, high production efficiency can purify the blank accuracy, reduce the amount of turning allowance, improve steel utilization, improve cutting performance, improve the internal quality of forging, bring huge economic benefits to customers. The company integrates design and research and development, production technology, integrated solutions, tailor-made product customization for customers. As a leading enterprise in the bearing machinery industry, since its establishment, Wuxi Daqiao has taken a pragmatic approach, step by step. It has remained innovative for more than 30 years, bearing the innovation, pragmatism, and self-transcendence of Daqiao. The mission and responsibility to be courageous and responsible. For more than 30 years, Daqiao people have not forgotten their original intention, committed to the research and development of forging machinery according to the different needs of customers. In 2010, the D51 series was successfully developed. Fully automatic CNC ring rolling mill. This type of product uses a servo motor drive. The rolling advancement is achieved through a reducer and ball. This type of advancement reduces the impact of temperature changes on the advancement. It is easier to precisely control the advancement movement. Improved the stability of machine tool processing accuracy. Additional baffle unloading device and loading and unloading robot. Realize the automation of rolling production. The Daqiao people continue to refine and deepen the D51 type rolling machine. Use craftsmanship to do every process well, to create safe, efficient, high-quality, unique products for customers. Create one brilliant achievement after another for customers. Create value for customers. Seek happiness for employees. Assume responsibility for society. Daqiao people who insist on product quality and character, regard quality as life, have successively won the title of Excellent Private Enterprise in Jiangsu Province, Excellent Demonstration Enterprise of Science and Technology Innovation in Jiangsu Province 5, A-Level Integrity Unit, Top 10 Brand Enterprises in Jiangsu Machinery Industry, and other honors, and obtained many national certified patents and qualifications. Wuxi Daqiao took the lead in opening up channels in the industry, continuously provide customers with high-quality products and services. Products are sold to South Korea, Russia, Vietnam, India, Iran, Turkey, Pakistan, Romania, Ethiopia, Brazil, Argentina, and other parts of the world, and have received unanimous praise. Daqiao people who keep up with the times, take innovation as the soul of development. Continuously introduce high-end technical talents. Continuously develop new technologies. Moving forward in the torrent of history. Singing and advancing in the evolution of the times. Create a national brand. Lead the industry.
Wuxi Daqiao.